Hi, this is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney that handles birth injury cases throughout the nation. I've been doing a series on birth injuries, and I now have the sixth part of this series, cerebral palsy from birth injuries. I'm now going to cover legal rights and advocacy for children with cerebral palsy. Many children with cerebral palsy have specific legal rights, particularly when it comes to education and accessibility. Under laws like Individuals with Disabilities Act, in the US, your child is entitled to free, appropriate public education in the least restrictive environment. Medical expenses for a child with cerebral palsy can be 10 times higher than that for a child without a disability. These figures often far exceed what a family can cover on their own, even with insurance and governmental programs. If negligence is suspected, say mismanaged labor leading to HIE, or failure to treat jaundice leading to kernicterus, consulting a qualified birth injury attorney is a crucial step. They will gather evidence by reviewing medical records and often can determine if there were deviations from the standard of care. A strong case may lead to either a settlement or a trial verdict. There have been numerous cases, some with multi-million-dollar awards, as we've mentioned. An example is the $14.5 million verdict in one case recently due to mismanaged labor, and many settlements in the millions. These funds typically cover things like a trust for the future care of medical needs, therapies, home modifications, lost earning capacity for the child. In some cases, structured settlements are set up to provide payments throughout the child's life. Keep in mind that malpractice cases can take years to resolve. They require expert witnesses and can be emotionally difficult as they relive the circumstances of the birth. However, many families gain peace of mind from holding a negligent party accountable and obtaining resources to give the child the best quality of life. If you are considering this route, it's advisable to start early due to the statute of limitations, which can sometimes be told for a child until they're of a certain age, but it's always good to consult so that you're not missing any statute. Also, choose an attorney from a firm that specializes in birth injury cases like ours. These will have expertise to navigate the medical details. One positive thing is that most of these attorneys work on contingency, so you do not pay unless we win your case, and initial consultations are free. So there's little financial risk in just seeking an opinion. No one can tell you whether to pursue a lawsuit or not. It's a personal decision. But know that many families of children with cerebral palsy caused by medical errors have gone through this, and it has allowed them to afford things like therapy and intensive programs and things like wheelchairs or vans, private nursing care, and these can drastically improve the child's daily life. The legal process can also bring some closure or answers about what exactly went wrong, which some parents need to heal emotionally. If you have a child that has a birth injury that caused cerebral palsy, I'm happy to go over the details with you and review the records. We can sit down and determine if there's a viable claim. If there is, we will come up with a detailed strategy to bring the suit and hopefully obtain the compensation that you deserve, and you can help set up care for your child in the future. If you'd like to do that consult, you can reach me at Kelly Law Team at 602-283-4122.